We love durians. We eat one a day.
สวัสดีค่ะ
And he snores too, just like you.
Hi, my name is Dia. Welcome to Thailand. Go Smooth. สวัสดีGo Smooth.
Oh, I start to feel a little bit more like home right now. It's been 3 days we're here. Might get used to it and probably never come back home, just burn my passport. Well, the routine is here. Heading to the gym and then after that, we explore. Yes.
Tell us what are our plans today.
Alright, so many on our plate. 3 things first. Want to go to see Hinta Hinyai. That's a local place you have to be. Second thing, we want to see the waterfalls, Muang Waterfalls. And third, we're gonna find a local beach.
Let's go.
Cheat. I have to cheat. Let's go find my puppy.
Jade, you forgot the key on the door. Alright guys, we are ready to hit the road in search for dinner for the breakfast. Wow. Okay, we are back with our precious hunt that Jade bargained so hard for us. We're gonna be back to the hotel, just, taking care of that. If you guys don't know how bad the smell of durian is, in some hotel, they don't allow durian inside.
Look at this map here. So we are on Chawan Beach here. Yeah, this map is stretching. We're on Chawan Beach, that's right here. And we're gonna go all the way over here to Muang Waterfalls. That's
It's a big
here.
mountain here.
Yeah, and then the thing we have to see with the rocks should be right next to that. And then we want to come back to either Lamai beach here or the South Chawan beach. Apparently it's more quiet.
We just reached Hinta and Hinyai. In English translated, it's called Grandfather Rock.
Look what I bought you, baby.
Yeah, this is
Durian ice cream.
just to come back about the name of this place. You will understand when we get there. Do you guys see anything here? So this is Hinta, the Grandfather Rock. I think you guys have a pretty good idea now. And now let me show you guys the Grandmother Rock. Right here. You see it? Just right there. Jade is so bored. She was standing there so impatient.
But I don't get why people come all the way here for 2 rocks. It's like, and they say it's natural, but I don't know, like, it's easily man-made. Maybe the mummy rock is real, but then it's...
Well, I think they have a lot of imagination.
Yeah, exactly.
The debate is on. I personally would go here if it was my first time.
Because you're a guy and you like the beep jokes, so I'm gonna censor it before YouTube censor it.
Yeah.
But
and Jade thinks
guys
it's a
like
total
this,
waste
like
of time.
everything that has to do with genitals, like you guys want to see it, and I'm like, no, there's no point.
Anyways,
It's just 2 rocks.
let us know if you guys would come here if it was your first time being here in Koh Samui.
Let's go.
You wanna go touch Grandfather Rocks?
Now.
So we just reached the waterfalls. There are two waterfalls. This is waterfall 2. It is about maybe 80 meters high, and there's waterfall 1 that is around 18 meters high. 34 degrees under the sun. We're climbing and it's not far, they said.
So it's 50 baht per adult, but it includes a bottle of water in direction of it.
Wow. What is this guy doing here?
It's a he or she, but it's so cute. Can we have one?
Yeah, sure. Guys, if you come to Thailand, don't encourage this kind of business.
So now we are at Muang 1, which is the smaller one, because we were right next door. It's really literally one street from each other.
Yep.
So we thought we might as well visit it and give you guys our opinion about it.
I can already say that it is way easier to get to Muang 1, and I really understand why they call it 1, because it's level 1. Okay guys, we saw many people jumping from a rock, and might be a little bit tempting. Just right there, you see that rock here? You jump all the way here, but you have to land at the right place though, because just right here it's very shallow. How am I supposed to climb up here? Thanks. Okay, it was easy to see it, you know, like people doing it, but when you get here, it's another. Alright, this is it guys, let's do this. One scary thing per day, this might be it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or honest thought about the waterfall number 1.
Much better.
Yeah, it's much better, much easier.
And it's more fun because you do have a pool at the bottom that you can swim in and play around and take cute photos.
Yeah.
Whereas the one is so hard to, the 2 is so hard to get to, and there is no actual pool you can really swim in. So.
Just found an entrance for the beach. It looks like, you know, all the entrances to the beach, the public beach, are owned by private resort. This is one of them. It's called the Miramare Resort. So let me present you Lamai Beach. So what do you think about Lamai Beach?
I like that it's so calm. It looks more, you know, grown up than Chawan Beach.
The beach here looks, to my eyes, cleaner than the Chaweng Beach.
Yeah, because Chaweng it's a little bit more dirty, it's a little bit younger.
It's a different crowd.
Yeah,
so
depending what you're looking for.
If you guys want a vibe that is, you know, chill and relax, Lamai Beach would be more of your style. Alright guys, before before we end the vlog, we just want to return to the elephant thing. You know, we don't support these practice. There will be a more dedicated vlog when we get to the elephant sanctuary in Phuket. Meanwhile, we are enjoying
Beautiful beach of Lamai that kind of has Bali vibes with cute lazy chair and lights and cabanas next to the
Yeah.
beach.
So we see you guys in the next vlog, and if you're not already subscribed to our channel, leave us your comments. We try to respond as much as we can.
Give us a big thumbs up if you like this vlog.
Good night.
We'll see you tomorrow.